That back is everything. Hi everyone, I'm Angelina and this is Blueprint DIY, where we remake our clothes to be just as unique as us. I am super excited for today's video because a while ago I did a video about the things that I have been afraid to upcycle. And today's video is one of those things. Now, it wasn't what won. I'll tell you now that piping won. And I will be doing a video about that. But when I do it, I want to teach you guys properly. I need to practice it first. And so I will not get on here and just be bumbling and get you guys confused. So we will have that very soon. However, I was in my little thrift closet, my own little personal home thrift store, thrift stash as we call it, and I found this set. And I thought to myself, I got the set because one, the fabric feels amazing. Two, it's my color. You guys, if you've been here any length of time, you know that I wear light blue and periwinkle a ton. But I knew it needed something. Of course, I couldn't wear it like this. So I thought back to that crop blazer with the tie in the back that you guys have been, I mean, not just one, not just 10. I mean, it's been a lot of people who requested it. So I hope you guys blow this video up. But I decided to do that blazer on this top. And the reason I decided to do it on this top instead of a blazer is because blazers typically come lined. If you can find an unlined blazer, which they do have summer blazers, especially in the men's section, that do not have a lining, then this project would definitely be a lot easier. I just personally did not want to do it with a lined blazer. It does make it more difficult to deal with the lining. But I thought that this set, because it would be a full set, that it would just be absolutely gorgeous. So that's what we're gonna do, conquer some fears, and we're going to do it super easy. Let's do it. All right, we have our Gianfrido shirt. This is a size small, which definitely lets me know it's a man's top, because if it were a woman's, a small would be smaller. But I'm thinking this is gonna be super simple, but you never know with these projects. So what I'm thinking we're going to do is we're gonna cut this across the front and down, and then in the back, just straight across. I think I'm gonna cut the back first because I have a bad tendency of cutting the back wrong. But honestly, if I cut the back wrong this time, if I cut the back like the front, I won't lose anything. But I don't know, you gotta know yourself, know your own weaknesses, right? I'm gonna cut right below the pocket, down, and yeah. And what I'm doing is I'm just keeping the casing, so I'm just following the casing underneath. I'll try to match this curve. Put that up to the top and cut it straight across. Yay, we did it right this time. Hopefully. But we do have some extra fabric. Oh, I love how this is tencel fabric. It's very, very soft. And I think it's supposed to be more natural than a typical synthetic material. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to just turn it under. I will definitely add a serge edge and then turn it under, but if you don't have a serger, you can overlock, use your regular sewing machine and an overlock stitch, or add fray check to the edges. And I even think I like this because if I just want to wear it as a tail in the front, which is my way sometimes, or just tie it, I'm thinking that this might have a lot of options. And then what I'm thinking is when I want it to go to the back, it'll do this. We're gonna see. There's some options. Hey, if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Definitely hit that subscribe button down below and turn on all notifications so you don't miss a thing, because we have back to back videos every Thursday and every Friday at 9 a.m. tutorials for your summer wardrobe. So definitely subscribe. All right, let's get back to the video. All right, so here it is with the edges finished, and I am beginning to wrap it around. Love the back. Absolutely love the back, but I want to bring this in a little bit. I don't want that flapping out like that. It's nothing showing, but I don't want it to flap. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a dart in between this buttonhole and this buttonhole there. Of course, it's going to be an inside dart, but I'm just pinching it so you can see. And then make one to the inside as well. That way it'll prevent things from like that from happening. It'll be nice and flat, and I think it'll just look better. It'll look more finished, more polished. That back is everything. Everything. It's perfect because these just meet on the back. They meet perfectly. And so a while back I bought some bra strap extenders, and this is half of one. I use the other half on some other project. So I'll just cut off the elastic and I'll attach it to there like that, and then the other one I'll attach it so that it just meets and you don't see that it's a bra strap extender underneath there. So that works. First, we're going to go ahead and pin our darts. I should have done this before I finished the edge. That would have made more sense. But I wanted to see the finished edge before I did this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the edge out, then do the dart, and then put the edge back. This one is in, and I just gotta get this one even because I want to have the option to button to here when I'm not wrapping it. I'm gonna go ahead and put that dart in, and then I can finish it off by turning it back under, and we'll attach the bra strap, and that'll be done. All right, so let's see how this turned out. I'm super excited to show you guys. But before we do, if you are interested in some accountability to help you get your upcycles done, we have an upcycling class here. Hit that join button down below to learn more. And I also have a free Facebook group if you want to share your upcycles with positive other like-minded people. The link for that is in the description box below. All right, let's see how this turned out. So to all the people who told me to do this one, thank you very much, because I am digging this, especially the full set. Like, I love matching sets. When that became popular again, I was just like, I am here for it, especially suits. But this, yes, yes, yes. And I knew I loved the pants. The pants fit me perfectly in a high waist, pleated type of way. But the top now, yes, it's just right. And I added a little button in the front because I was getting some under boob action. Before, I couldn't lift my arms at all, but now I have a range of motion. You know, I can, hallelujah, I can at least lift my hands to here and, without flashing anybody. But just so you know, I do wear undergarments underneath everything pretty much that I upcycle. You guys a lot of times like, well, I would have to wear a bra. Well, I do wear one. I do have on a bra, but I didn't want to flash you guys. So I made sure I put that button right there, and it took care of a lot of what was going on. But yes, I love like the different, like from whatever angle you're looking at, you get different views of it. I absolutely love, and I've always loved, the thing that appealed to me about this jacket is the back. When you look at the back and you see that cropped and then you see that strap at the back. So of course this could be styled with something else, and that would definitely make that little strap at the back pop more to know that it came from the front. But even as a set, especially as a set, I absolutely love it. You guys, let me know down below how you feel about this one. I am super curious to see what you guys feel. And if you haven't subscribed, definitely subscribe. We have a ton of other amazing things planned for this summer. I have a ton of other videos for you to watch right here. And if you are interested in this no-sew sweater top, yes, no-sew, as well as some of you guys' favorites were in that video. It's 3 no-sew in that one video. I have that right here for you. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!